Mico Widget and Live Wallpaper. This is an app that you can use to install on your phone and give your phone home screen some cool effects. Okay, it's like a wallpaper. It's more than actually just image wallpapers. This app actually gives you the wallpapers that actually have some emotion. Some of them have some effects. Okay, some of them are cool like this. When you touching your screen, like your fingers can actually pop up like flowers as you scroll through the home screen. So that's kind of the animation that I'm talking about. Some of your backgrounds can be active. Okay, so it's not just actually having just a background image on your phone, but your phone will have some cool effects. Okay, if you're kind of a person who is into that, I think you have to check out this phone. When you install these wallpapers, there are actually so many. There are more than 1,000 plus wallpapers that you can choose from. And some of them you can actually replace an image that comes with it. Okay, I'm looking at this. You can add stickers. You can even actually make it to have a transparent background. You can actually have an effect of color on it. Work on maybe the opacity. Try to activate the audio with it. So this app actually comes with a lot of features. Okay, there's so many like wallpapers that you can choose from. And when you read about the app, they say you can even personalize your aesthetic phone screen, 100% unique, your own iScreen. Okay, so your phone will be you have your device turned into a creative canvas. Okay, it has really a lot of cool reviews. The complaints are mainly in the money ads that you will see when you're using Mico. And the Mico has a free version and a paid version. So if you're going to kind of use the free version, just be ready to have lots of ads like these ones. Okay, everywhere you actually click is just actually ads. So, but basically, the app offers what it promises. Okay, live wallpapers. You'll be amazed how cool your phone can look. All these effects and cool fonts and all that stuff. Okay, so let me know what you think about Mico. Um, let me know in the comment section below. If you're kind of a fan who is interested in app reviews like this, I do reviews for different apps. You can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.